Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Great, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. So today we will learn about Newtons. But before we go to the main activity, let's recite basmalah to begin our class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, I think I need to check your attendance first. Is there anyone who absent today? Okay, because everyone is here, let's continue to the material. Have you ever heard about Newtons? He's a very famous human being in the history for his research. His famous thing is about mass and energy and force. That's okay, Nilda. Thank you for answering. Okay, so here I'll give you the learning objective of today's material. First of all, I will explain what's the three laws of Newton's, and the next one, I will try to identify the real-life application of these three laws of motion accurately, and also I will demonstrate, and you can try to analyze with me what will I do for the demonstration. And also you can try to communicate findings with your friends. So first of all, the Newton first law. It's called law of inertia, and the explanation is when an object remains at rest or in uniform motion as that you call it by an external force. For the example, a ball on the ground remains still until kicked. Do you know what it means? Law of inertia. For the real explanation like this, you can see it's my double. It's not from Harry Potter. It's built still on its location and not going anywhere because it doesn't have any force to move, right? But if I push it, it moves until I grab it and stop it. It's called law of inertia. And the second one, this is the images for the detailed explanation. Like before I demonstrate it. And the next one is about the second law, the law of acceleration. It has like a formula F equals m times r. It means F means force, m means mass, and a means acceleration. Do you understand what is force, mass, and acceleration?
Yes.
This particular law is force. It's measured in Newton. So what is acceleration?
Acceleration is measured in meters per second.
Okay, great. Please applause. So for the demonstration, this is a 4 kgs dumbbell. When I push it slowly, it moves, and when I grab it, it stops. But when I try to add more weight, into this dumbbell. Like here, I have more about 1.5 kilograms, and I try to add the weight. Now, when I try to push it, it becomes slower.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the mass is not same
Great.
like before. And
It's a
before.
plus.
Yes.
Because the mass, it's increased. It's not the same than previous week. The previous week is about 4 kilograms. Now it's about 5.5 kilograms. So it's different. So how to make it move like before? The answer is I need to add more force to my dumbbell. I can try to push it more harder, like that. Now it move like before because I add more like force. In this picture, the difference is between the basketball and between a car. You can absolutely know the difference between the weight of a basketball is very light, but when you try to push the car, it's very challenging because it's more it's more have high weight. And the third law of Newton is the action reaction law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The example, jumping off a boat passes it backward. Like in this picture, this man moved forward, but his kick pushed that boat backwards. So if both of this man and the boat is moved but in different way, that's the third law of Newton's. You can try to have like your way experiment your home by using card or any other things in your house. In this, I use card weighing softwares, so you can measure the force, mass, and the acceleration. So you can return the data and analyze it using the formula that I write down. Now, I want you to try to experience with this week.
Okay.
Listen, you can try with the 4 kilogram first. You can try to lift it. You can try to lift it. Is it? With lifting. But you can still lift it, right?
Yes.
Wait, please stay in your position. Now, I will put more weight. Now the weight is more like 5.5 kilograms.
Okay.
Let's see the data and
Weightlifting.
This is it, kasihkan.
Yes, but like
The one side is more different than this side.
yes.
So it means it has a Newton activity in this dumbbell, right?
Right.
Okay, thank you. You can back to your seat.
Next.
That's the material for today. the task that you need to do as your homework is measurement of the experiment like I before because it already have weight, but you need to record the data and analyze it manually. So you can record your experiment with anything in your environment. You can use like weight like me, or you can use chair or table. Human also. It has a very variative weight, right? Please measure it and analyze it. What do you feel and what is like the formula when you code it?
Okay, son.
Okay, thank you for that's my class. Let's end of our class by saying Alhamdulillah together.